Hi, I'm Electric Bill, and I'm here to shock you out of your static daily routine.
We all only have 24 hours in a day. And if you do as your doctor tells you and sleep 8 hours a day, how many of you are getting the actual 8 hours of sleep? Very few, probably. The next 8 hours is supposed to be spent at work. How many of you only spend 8 hours at work? Again, almost no hand will go up because you're spending way more time than that. That actually only leaves you 8 hours left to live your life.
According to a recent study, 85% of employees are not engaged in their workplace. 73% of employees are considering leaving their job. 63% of corporations share that it's actually harder to keep their good employees than it is to hire. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll get what you've always got. Plot that on a graph. What would it look like? A flat line. Today, I want you to find new and better ways of doing what it is that you've always done to get extraordinary results and make a significant difference. The one thing people always comment on is my energy. How many of you are sitting next to your best friend at work? Yeah, look at it. It's incredible. I love that. I absolutely love that. But how often does your best friend hold you accountable?
And now I want to introduce bumblebees to you. And take a look at this amazing creature. We need them on this planet without question. The bumblebee should never be able to fly. When he studied the bumblebee's mass and weight compared to its wings, there's absolutely no way that bee should be able to flap its wings and fly. And so as the study went on, it's actually magic that the bumblebee does fly. And you are magic too.
Management versus leadership. Now, this is just a semantic, but management doesn't know what it wants until it gets what it doesn't want. Even then, it still doesn't know what it wants. It just knows it doesn't want that, whatever that was. Leadership is abundantly clear about what good performance looks like. Negative people are one of my best friends. They can poke holes in every one of my ideas and strategies. And when they do that, when they create those holes for me, these problems that they have, they also always have a solution to fix my problem. But here's the other thing that's cool. Human beings are hardwired to solve other people's problems. Every time I did a talk, people told me I should write a book. So I did. Electric Life, 12 micro steps to pay attention, be brilliant, and go deep. Pay attention. It's about emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Be brilliant. It's about charging your battery and keeping it full throughout the entire day. Go deep. It's about having a business impact and making a difference with your team. People are already talking about you. The question is, are they saying what you want them to say? You becoming more effective is going to make the people on your team want to be more effective as well. And once your team is more effective, then we want to impact your entire organization. Connect with me. I want to charge your team up and make a huge business impact.